Hello there, Scott with SkipperBud's here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our Bayliner M17s in red we have available. This boat does have the full windshield. Also with a single axle trailer with a breakaway tongue. And you can see the full windshield there. Then you got seating all the way across the back here. This boat is rated for 7 people. Does come with a radio. It's got the filler cushion right here that can come out, and then little seats back here for when you're sitting at a sandbar. It does have the ski tow bar, and then of course up front we have the filler cushions in as well. Back here, this boat's got a 90 horse on the back. And a nice stainless steel 4-step ladder. So if you have any more questions or further interest in this boat or any other boat that we have on our website, please give us a call.